Amber Heard is sharing her experience of being on the witness stand during her trial with ex-husband Johnny Depp. On Friday, Heard, 36, appeared on an NBC News Dateline special and said it was terrifying to be cross-examined by Depp's legal team about her sexual assault claims against the Pirates of the Caribbean actor. The scariest, most intimidating thing for anybody talking about sexual violence is not being believed, being called a liar, or being humiliated, said Heard. Earlier this month, Depp won all 3 defamation claims in his case against Heard over her 2018 op-ed about coming forward as a survivor of domestic abuse. The jury awarded Depp $15 million in damages, but Heard will only have to pay $1,035 million due to Virginia law cap on punitive damages. The judge reduced the amount. Additionally, the 7-person jury awarded Heard $2 million in damages for her counterclaims against Depp. Heard's attorney said the actress will absolutely appeal the verdict against her. During Friday's special, Heard also alleged that a piece of evidence that was not allowed in the courtroom could change the verdict. There's a binder worth of years of notes dating back to 2011 from the very beginning of my relationship that were taken by my doctor, who I was reporting the abuse to, she told NBC News' Savannah Guthrie. Her notes represented years of real-time explanations of what was going on, Heard claimed, after Guthrie, 50, asked whether there was any evidence that wasn't presented that would have made all the difference. Shared on Dateline, the notes stated that the Aquaman actress told her therapist Depp hit her and threw her on the floor in January 2012 and, 8 months later, ripped her nightgown and threw her on the bed. Heard further alleged that the Rum Diary actor threw her against a wall and threatened to kill her in 2013, per the notes. The judge ruled those notes were hearsay and inadmissible. Guthrie, whose husband Michael Feldman has done consulting work for Depp's legal team, though not in connection with Guthrie's interview, said in a voiceover in the special. Speaking to her decision to do the sit-down, which marked her first on-camera interview since the trial ended, Heard told Guthrie, "One thing I can tell you is one thing, I'm not as vindictive. There's no part of me that sees any this would be a really lousy way to get vengeance." Guthrie then asked, "What do you hope to get across here? You've had everything said about you. What do you wish people knew?" "You know, Savannah, as silly as it is to say this out loud," Heard responded, "my goal, the only thing I could hope for at this point, is I just want people to see me as a human being." She also said she still has love for Depp, despite the trial and their tumultuous relationship. "I have no bad feelings or ill will to him at all," said Heard, admitting that might be hard to understand. She also said she will stand by every word of her testimony until my dying day, and referred to herself as a survivor. A spokesperson for Depp told NBC News in response to the interview, "It's unfortunate that while Johnny is looking to move forward with his life, the defendant and her team are back to repeating, reimagining and relitigating matters that have already been decided by the court and a verdict that was unanimously and unequivocally decided by a jury in Johnny's favor."